There's no denying it. Video content is a powerful tool that connects a business to an audience. Let's dive into video creation. The online world increasingly favors the moving image, making YouTube and TikTok incredibly popular. Over time, Instagram and Facebook have increased the ways users can watch, engage, and share video. At the same time, creating a video is easier than ever by simply tapping record on a smartphone. Rather than blocks of text on a screen, a video delivers information in a more dynamic way. It's also passive. Viewers can sit back and enjoy. Color, motion, voice, and sounds combine to tell a story. Telling stories builds a relationship between brand and audience. A well-crafted video, even if it's short, will resonate with viewers. A really great video will be shared and shared again. If that video generates clicks to the business's website or social page, even better. Motion graphics take design elements such as text, objects, shapes, and photos and apply movement. They're short and easy to produce on a budget. These can also be added to video to make it even more engaging. Just be careful not to overdo it and confuse the message. Remember, the graphics and style you use needs to make sense to the audience. This will help them connect to the message being sent. A viewer that connects will be more likely to remember, follow, and remain loyal to the brand. Videos for social media don't always need to be slick, rehearsed, or polished. In fact, a personal approach suits the user-generated vibe of social media. A video that uses real people will feel authentic. These videos can be easily and cheaply produced. A pre-recorded video allows a brand representative to rehearse, work to a script, do any number of takes, and edit their video before uploading. In contrast, live streaming happens in real time, enabling viewers to comment and interact with the presenter. Video is a great way to show something new and express excitement. Think of a tour of a new business premises filmed on a smartphone, or a positive customer testimonial, or a behind-the-scenes account of an event. How-to videos are very popular on social platforms. Adding value to the viewer's life, like new knowledge, is a great way to promote a business or brand. A makeup artist shows how to apply a new product. A hardware store shows how to use a particular tool. Or a business consultant explains how to analyze advertising results. A more formal style of content is the educational video produced for training and online learning. These are scripted and structured and produced professionally, much like this video. Corporate videos make technical content more informative and engaging. Recent results, explainers, or videos that show the inner workings of a business can be more effective than long text. For example, a CEO might produce a welcome video for new hires. That will help staff feel a part of the business and grow to feel familiar with the senior management. Choose the style of video carefully, considering message, brand, and audience. A storyboard is a visual plan that communicates how the video will look. It helps clarify the structure, direction, and timeline of the content. It's an essential part of creating a video as it allows experimentation with plotting, camera angles, and timings. It's a lot easier, quicker, and cheaper to try out things on a storyboard than by shooting multiple videos. Normally drawn by hand, the video script is broken down into individual screens or shots. Don't worry, you don't need to be a great artist, as long as each box explains how that part of the video will be shot. This helps other people working on the video to create that shot on screen. It also means feedback can be given before picking up the camera. It's very easy to try out different types of shots using different angles or adjusting the script just by drawing multiple versions. Basically, get it right in the storyboard and you can be sure the actual shooting will be a breeze. There's unwavering popularity for video content. Connecting brand and message, great video content will be watched, clicked, and shared. Can you make something go viral?